Let me go back into the contact section, and it comes in here to a to my default list. So here, you guys see that fake name?
Yeah.
Okay. My screen went away. There's a website out there, fakenamegenerator.com, and I use it a lot just to do stuff. But maybe you're on somebody's website, maybe you're on another agent's website, maybe you're on whatever you're on, and you see there's some information about that contact on there, and so you can just grab whatever you can grab or want to grab there. It will not just add arbitrary information necessarily. It looks for specific fields that are in the SAM account. But if I just highlight a bunch of those and I choose copy, I can then come over here into the Smart Import Single Contact. Okay, I click on that and it's going to come up and let me go into it's just a big empty field. I can come in here and I can paste in that information. I put it into this field, even, I really don't necessarily need to show all this, I guess, but it allows you to see it in its full format. It's HTML, it could be in tables, it could be, lots of different stuff, but it's in a format that's pretty looking but could contain lots of different data. In this case, Max Hudson. If I click on OK, it will take that name and then it imports it, and then it fills in what fields that it can pull from, and throws them into the piece. So we now, instead of it being imported and you having to go look at it or look for it or whatever, because it may not show up. So like this one, it does not have the tag presidential, therefore it won't show up in my list, even though I did add it. So now I get the chance to go in there, do additional editing, put in whatever I want. Once I'm done, then I leave, then I'm back to my normal list. If I come in here and do a search for Max, then there it is. And it's a fake name, YouTube, fake name, but definitely easier to fill and do.